So I'm being asked quite a lot at the moment about Instagram's new Edits app. This app is not fully available yet, so hold your horses, but it is set to be coming very, very soon. In fact, we reported in our update last month in February that the app would be launched in March. Unfortunately, they have pushed this back, and the ETA is now the 30th of April. So we are going to have to wait a little bit longer for Instagram's new video editing app to be launched. We have seen a few teasers of the new Edits app being shared by creators. So there's some really interesting new features being integrated, like this Cutouts feature you can see here on the screen. There's also going to be a focus on project management, allowing you to organize and manage multiple clips and projects in one place. So this is hopefully going to make it a lot easier for you to pick up on editing where you left off and not have everything clogging up your drafts on Instagram, but to be in this Edits app. And then the other new update that we're seeing is a new label called Made with Edits. And this has been appearing on creators' reels that have been made using the app. So what I can imagine is happening is that a number of creators are actually testing the app at the moment and are giving Instagram their feedback. So the 30th of April is when we are likely to see this app launched, but I can't guarantee that. It may well be pushed back once again. The reason why we're so excited about it at Avocado Social is because it's completely free. So Instagram have said that they are not going to charge for this third-party app. So it will free up hopefully some of your budget that you may well be spending on something like CapCut or Canva, although I'm pretty sure we'll be keeping our Canva subscription. We have noticed that the Made with Edit sticker is on one of Zuckerberg's recent Instagram reels. So he has been testing and sharing some teasers of what the editing process looks like. Let's take a quick look.
Let's do this. That was fun.
So it looks pretty similar to something like CapCut in its user experience there. Nothing, wildly amazing at this point about it, but I am pretty excited about some of those new features that they've been teasing this month. I often get asked, if you use a third-party app to edit your videos, does that mean that the video won't perform as well on Instagram? And this is what the head of Instagram had to say.
We do not penalize content for being created in other apps. There's a rumor that we do, that if you create content elsewhere and you post it on Instagram, that we downrank that content. I want to be clear, we want to build the best tools that we can for creators to make content using Instagram, but if you want to make content elsewhere, that is totally fine with us. We are not going to downrank that content. That said, I do want to also be clear that if you do post on Instagram and there is a watermarked logo in the reel or on the content, that will be ranked lower in feed. So if you want to maximize reach, make sure you avoid watermarked logos. More advice coming soon. Peace.
So the answer is no. Your video will not be downranked, or the engagement won't be affected if you do use a tool like CapCut, or if you do use their new Edits app once it's available. But the really important thing to note there is if you leave watermarks, so for example, the TikTok watermark on your content and you post that to Instagram, they will of course downgrade that. So you just want to make sure that none of your content has watermark on it.